Do you ever check your bank account and think, where did all my money go? You're not alone. In 2026, millions of us are earning money but still living paycheck to paycheck. And it's often not because we don't earn enough, but because we don't track where it goes. Today, I'll show you the top 5 budgeting apps for beginners that make tracking your money simple, stress-free, and actually realistic. Most people don't fail at budgeting, they just never had a system that worked for them. Without a budget, it's easy to see how small daily expenses, like that morning coffee, add up. And those sneaky subscriptions? They quietly drain your cash without you even noticing. Savings goals get pushed back, always to next month. Budgeting apps solve this. They show you exactly where your money is going, help you plan your spending before it happens, and can even automate your savings and bill payments. The best part? You don't need complicated spreadsheets or a degree in finance. These apps are built for beginners just like you. Let's dive into our countdown of the top 5 budgeting apps for 2026. Coming in at number 5 is Good Budget. This app uses the classic envelope system, but digitally. It has a great free version with a paid option for around $8 to $10 a month. Beginners love it because you plan your spending ahead of time, assigning money to different envelopes or categories. It works perfectly without syncing to your bank, which is great for privacy. And it's fantastic for couples or families sharing a budget. The main downside is that manual entry takes more effort. Good Budget is best for beginners who want full control and don't mind logging their own transactions. At number 4, we have Pocket Guard. Its whole purpose is to answer one simple question: how much can I safely spend today? It offers a free version, and the Plus plan is about $7 or $8 a month. Its strength is its simplicity. It automatically syncs with your bank and gives you a clear In My Pocket number, which is your spending money after bills, savings, and goals are accounted for. It's also great at finding and flagging subscriptions you might have forgotten about. The trade-off is that it's less flexible for creating detailed budgets. Pocket Guard is perfect for people who want simple, automatic tracking with minimal effort. Next up at number 3 is EveryDollar. This app is built around the zero-based budgeting method where every single dollar has a specific job. There's a free version that requires manual entry while the paid version adds automatic bank syncing. It has a very easy setup process and a strong focus on helping you pay off debt. The clear monthly structure is a huge plus. The main con is that automatic tracking is a paid feature. EveryDollar is best for beginners who want clear guidance and structure, especially if getting out of debt is a top priority. Our number 2 pick is Monarch Money. Think of this as your all-in-one money dashboard. It's not just for budgeting. It tracks your goals, investments, and overall net worth. It costs about $14 or $15 a month, usually with a free trial to start. People love its beautiful design, strong investment and net worth tracking, and excellent features for couples. The cons are that there's no free version, and it has more features than some beginners might need right away. Monarch is best for people who want a premium, long-term financial view and are ready to see the whole picture. And finally, our number 1 budgeting app for beginners is YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB is the most powerful app on this list and also the most hands-on. It costs around $99 a year and offers a 30-day free trial. So why is it number 1? Because YNAB doesn't just track your spending, it actively changes your financial behavior. It uses a true zero-based budgeting method, has excellent reports and educational resources, and is designed to help you build strong, lasting money habits. The learning curve and higher price are its main drawbacks. But YNAB is the best choice for beginners who are truly serious about mastering their money for the long term. So how do you choose the right one for you? If you want simple and automatic, try Pocket Guard. For planning and structure, check out EveryDollar or YNAB. If you want the full financial picture, Monarch is your best bet. And for total manual control, go with Good Budget. My best tip is to start with the free trials. Link your accounts one at a time and focus on consistency, not perfection. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about gaining control of your money. Pick one of these apps and start today. Even a little bit of awareness can completely change your financial future. For more simple tools to help you forge real wealth, make sure to subscribe to WealthForge USA. Thanks for watching. Just a quick note, this video is not sponsored, and all pricing and features are subject to change.